Okay, in the last tutorial, we have seen the slice operator. Okay, now I'm going to discuss concatenation and split. Concatenation means to concatenate the two matrices or two array, how to concatenate or to add two array. Okay, it means not a simple array but concatenate two array, and split means to how to split an array into two different array. Okay, it means split, and if we have a two array, then if we merge two array in a single array, then this operation is called the concatenation. Okay, because I have already import the numpy array, as you can see in my previous lecture. So I it not need to the import again an numpy array. So to can concatenate two array, first we need to create two array. Suppose first we create an array. Suppose ar1 equal to np dot arrange function. We use arrange, and suppose we need to the entries of in my array is 1 to 16. So for this we mention here 1 to 17 because 17 is not included but 17 is excluded. And dot reshape, we use the reshape function for to reshape the array. Suppose in 3 into 3, 4 into 4, or n cross n or n cross m. Okay, so for this we use reshape uh, because we have 16 entries. So for this we can split, or we can reshape my array in 4 cross 4, or it means 4 rows and 4 columns. So 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay, now print this, print ar1, print ar1, and then run. Okay, you can see here 4 rows and 4 columns, and entries are from 1 to 16. Now for concatenation we need another array. So first we create another array. Suppose ar2 equal to np dot arrange, and suppose we need to entries from 17 to 32, 16, and total 16 entries, 17 to 30 32. So for this 17 to 32, it means 33 because last index is not included, so 33 is excluded, and total entry 16, 72, uh, 32. Okay, now reshape 4 cross 4, 4 rows and 4 columns, and then print ar2, print ar2, and then run. Okay, so this is the another array 2, 4 cross 4. Now we need to concatenate into it. Okay, now we use the concatenation function. Concatenate means it means array1 and array2 are concatenate, means array2 is the below side column wise in array1. It means not addition. Addition means the uh, pair wise addition. It means not addition but concatenation means to concatenate two arrays. So for this we use simple np dot concatenate, np dot con simple concatenate, and then use simple bracket and pass array1 comma array2, and then run. I think concatenate is spelling concatenate. sorry, concatenate. Okay, and then run. Okay, you can see here the two arrays are concatenate, and the second array, array 2, is the below side of array 1. Okay, so it means not addition but concatenate, but means to merge two array in a one array. Okay, now this concatenation is column wise, but if we need to, or if we want to concatenate with row wise, so for this we use simple concatenate function, and we assign and x is equal to 1, and by default concatenate function consider x is 0. Okay, so we don't need to mention here x is equal to 0, but if we need to concatenate row wise, so for this we use simple np dot concatenate concatenate, and then we pass suppose array ar1 comma ar2, and then comma x is equal to 1 for rows. Concatenate with row wise we assign x is equal to 1, and for column we assign x is equal to 0, but concatenate function by default take x is equal to 0. So we not use assign, we need not here to mention x is equal to 0. Okay, now run this. Okay, you can see here uh, the spelling concatenation, co concatenate. Okay, and then run again, check np dot concatenate. Okay, here see the error np dot concatenate. Okay, this spelling is x is e a x i s, x is equal to 1, and then run. Okay, you can see here the concatenation with row wise. It means the first row of array 1 and first row of array 2 are concatenate. Okay, we have another function to concatenate two rows to array. So suppose we went to concatenate column wise and or vertical. For this we call v stack function, np dot v stack, and then pass array 1 comma array 2. Okay, and then run. Okay, you can see here the v stack means vertical stack. Okay, so concatenate column wise, and if we want to concatenate row wise with, we have another function h stack, np dot h stack, and pass array 1 comma array 2, and run. Okay, you can see the horizontal stack or horizontal concatenate. Similarly, we can concatenate more than two arrays. Suppose we have a third array, so we can pass here array 3 and array 4, array 5. Likewise, we can concatenate in the horizontal and vertically. Now I'm going to discuss split function. Split function, as name suggests, split means to break the array into or three part. So it is very simple function, and we call simple split. So np dot split, and pass here suppose array 1 and comma array 2, array 1 and array 2, and how many parts we can sorry, array 1 we can we want to split array 1 in suppose two parts or three parts. So if we want to suppose split in two part, so we pass here 2, simple 2, and then run. Okay, you can see here array, this is array is split into two parts. Okay, and this is the type of the list. Okay, if we want to check the type of this, we can simply check the data type or type of this array. This is like look like a list. If you want to split this array in row wise, if you want to split row wise, so for this we use simple np dot split and pass suppose array 1, and how many parts we need to split. Suppose we need to split in two parts, so assign 2 here, and then because row wise, so we mention here x is equal to 1. Okay, and then simple run. Okay, this is the array. Which type of array? You can see here np dot split ar1. Ar1 is the array 1, and then x is equal to, sorry, x is here s. Okay, and then run. Okay, you can see here this array is split in two different arrays. Okay, on different two different array with, because we here assign two means in the two parts, we split into two parts with row wise. Okay, so in this tutorial we have seen how to split and how to concatenate two array, and how to concatenate two and more than two array. You can simply concatenate more than two array, and you can split an array into two and more than two parts. Okay, so I hope you all are got it. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.